Football from Yard, the People's Channel.
Greetings, Football from Yard Massive, as the nation still celebrates the Reggae Girlz' monumental World Cup achievement. The round of 16 bracket has been set, and the ladies can now transition from celebrating to focusing on their next opponent, Colombia. The second-ranked South American nation is an entertaining unit and plays more like people's expectation of Brazil than Brazil does. They have a number of talented, very technical players, including a handful from the Spanish First Division and the Brazilian top flight. Among those players is 18-year-old Real Madrid sensation Linda Caicedo. Caicedo plays in a similar manner to male Real Madrid player Vinicius Jr. She's very explosive and tricky on the flank. When she cuts inside, there's a high likelihood that a cannon of a shot will be unleashed on goal. There are a number of other talented players on the team who we will discuss closer to the August 8th match kickoff. Colombia has been one of the most impressive teams in the tournament thus far, but they are a beatable unit. Despite the flair and pizzazz that they play with, the number of goals they score is substantially less than the danger they create. And as we observed in their final group stage match against Morocco, a 1-0 loss, with good organization, you can keep their attacks at bay. They are well organized defensively, but usually give up one or two opportunities to the opponent. If Jamaica is able to overcome the Colombians, they advance to the quarterfinals, where they will face the winner of the Nigeria versus England match. Although I'm sure the coaching staff at this moment is singularly focused on Colombia and is not encouraging the team to look past that match. The Reggae Girlz will have a lot of stability heading into the match in Melbourne, as the city's Victorian State Football Centre has been the training base for the team during the competition, and the match venue is the same as their last match against Brazil. The ladies will not have to break their routine for the encounter, and they should be fully settled and fresh for the match. Bunny Shaw and Jodie Brown in particular, whose preparation has been hampered by niggles and ailments, have a few more days to get themselves closer to their peak. Lauren Donaldson and his coaching staff have done an excellent job thus far to achieve the desired results, and the team has successfully executed his plans. Subtle adjustments have been made in each match, and the team's personnel has been tweaked appropriately for each encounter. Colombia will present a different tactical view than Brazil, as they have 3 central players in the middle of the park, and they play more short, snappy combinations than the South American champions. Even when they do tweak their formation, their approach to the game tends to be the same, so the coaching staff should have a very good idea of what they need to do to successfully nullify their plans. Many, in the world of punditry, counted out the Reggae Girlz, giving them the proverbial pat on the back for their effort leading up to the Brazilian game, prior to implying that the Jamaicans would be heading home later that night. Little did they know, the ladies were just getting started. Respect as always, linkage next time.